Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today we are going to discuss the answer for second test. You can pause the video and check your answers. First, it is multiple choice question. First question, which of the following animal does not sucks at food? The options are eagle, lice, hummingbird and mosquito. The option B, C and D, they have the sucking mode and taking their food. Option A is the answer, that is eagle. Identify the cutting teeth. Options are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Among this, which is the cutting teeth? It is incisor, option A. Third question, which of the following is a function of liver? So what is the function of the liver? The options are absorption of digested food, increase in the surface area of small intestine, secretion of bile juice, breaking protein into amino acid. Which is the answer? It is secretion of bile juice, option C. Fourth question, the process of elimination of waste from the body. So that process it is called as the options ingestion, digestion, absorption and egestion. The answer it is egestion. Fifth question, the food of ruminants is rich in. Options are cellulose, fat, glucose and proteins. The answer is option A, it is cellulose. The next it is fill in the blanks. Sixth question, the digestive canal starts at the dash and ends at the anus. So it starts from the buccal cavity. What is the spelling for buccal cavity? B-U-C-C-A-L, buccal cavity, C-A-B-I-T-Y, buccal cavity. The next, seventh question, saliva breaks down dash into sugar. It is carbohydrate, CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. Seventh question, it is carbohydrate, its answer. Eighth, bile juice is stored in a sac called, what is the sac? It is called as gallbladder, G-A-L-L, bladder, B-L-A-D-D-E-R, gallbladder. Ninth question, the process by which digested food particle reaches the different organs. That process it is called as assimilation. A-S-S-I-M-I-L-A-T-I-O-N, assimilation. Okay. 10th question, in amoeba, digestive juice are secreted into the, so in which organelle? It is food vacuole, F-O-O-D, food vacuole, V-A-C-U-O-L-E, food vacuole. Okay. Next, it is a very short type answer. First question, write the function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. So what is a function? It kills the bacteria that enter along with the food and helps in the digestion of the food. Okay, this is the answer for that question. And differentiate between the incisor and canine. You have to write it in a tabular column. Incisor, it is totally 8 teeth, both in upper and lower jaws. Totally it is 8 teeth. The role of the incisor, it is cutting and biting teeth. Next, it is canine. We have 4 teeth, that is canine teeth. The role of the canine, it is for tearing and piercing. Okay, so it is called as tearing and piercing teeth. Next, it is short answer type. What happens to the undigested food in the large intestine? After the digestion process, the undigested food reaches the large intestine. Here, its function is to absorb the water and some salt from the undigested food materials. So this is the role happened in the large intestine to the food. Next, it is describe the structure of amoeba. So structure, you have to mention the organelles and the parts in the amoeba. First, it is cell membrane. It is the outer membrane and it protects the organelles present inside. So this is the role of the cell membrane. Next, it is cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance which connects the cell membrane and the nucleus. Next, it is food vacuole. It is a bubble-like structure, and one more, it is the digestive juice is secreted in the food vacuole. And next, it is nucleus, a dense structure which is present in the cell. It is nucleus. Pseudopodia, it is a finger-like outgrowth which helps in the locomotion and in the process of ingestion, that is to capture that spray. Okay. And next, it is a long answer type. Describe the movement of the food from the buccal cavity to the stomach. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and the chest region. The food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. This movement it is called as peristalsis. The food that is passed in the esophagus, it is called as bolus. So it is a small round substance like that is called as bolus. So this bolus passes in the food pipe. It is also known as esophagus. By this is by the movement of the wall of food pipe. This movement it is called as peristalsis. Okay. The next question, explain the process of digestion in ruminants. Ruminants are the grass eating animals. The grass, it is rich in cellulose. So bacteria which present in the rumen, it is a part of the stomach in ruminants, helps in the digestion of the cellulose. Ruminants begins by the chewing and swallowing its food. The food reaches the stomach and it is partially digested there. That partially digested food, it is called as cud, and this cud again reaches the buccal cavity for the further digestion. So there the further digestion starts, and the further digestion it completes in the stomach and the small intestine. Thank you, children.